Hey guys, so welcome back to my class. Good morning. I'm your teacher for 2021, Mr. Zach, again. Okay, so first of all, before anything, I apologize because I can't see you face to face in Zoom because I'm still stuck in my kampong. So I have to climb a hill to find line, so I can only upload it. I can only record it first and upload it later for you to watch. Okay, so a few things you need to take note of. The first one is the books for 2021 for your class for year 6. Books that you need are, the first one is EX. You need one long pink color book for EX. And then for section B and C, we are using test pad. Just use test pad first, the writing paper. And then for STA, we use one small book, but for now whenever I'm doing spelling with you or dictation, I'm just going to ask you do it online first. Only when we meet in school, we will be using the small book. And then you need buku nilam. Every 2 weeks you need to read one story. And lastly, workbook. This workbook you will get it when the school open. Okay, so this year you will be having UPSR. There's no announcement yet saying that you don't have UPSR, so please take note. Okay, then second one, next one, the rules. Listen properly, listen closely. Okay, whenever I'm teaching you, you need to respond. Respond means you need to do your work. Whether you are sending the work after you finish it through Google Classroom or WhatsApp. If you don't, okay, like this. I want you to send your work like this. English will be taught every Sunday and Thursday. So if I give you work on Sunday, you have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. 4 days for you to do it. And I expect within the 4 days, you have sent the work to me, whether it's in Google Classroom or through WhatsApp. And then on Thursday, if I give you work on Thursday, you have Thursday, you have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 4 days for you to send as well. So our lesson this week, our first lesson will start on Thursday, 21st of January 2021. So on Thursday I will give you the work. I will do this video. This video is on Thursday, so you have until next Sunday to send me your work. Okay, I will check. If you don't send your work, if you fail to send your work, especially like last year, a lot of you didn't do anything, didn't respond, didn't give me anything. More than 3 times you did the same thing, your names I will give to the discipline teacher and the school admin. The school admin is our headmaster, our PK1, PK2, and so on. If your name go to the discipline teacher, they will write it in the discipline record, and then the discipline record will go to your school record. The school record will go to the Malaysian school record. So what happened if you do it many times? If first time you will get a warning, and then every student will have a mark when they leave school. So in the discipline mark, if you get very low mark, you cannot go to a good school. Sometimes some school will not accept you. If you do it more than 7 times, you will get a second warning. And then if you continue to do it for another 3 times until 10 times, you can be thrown out of school. Why? Because it means that you don't attend school. You didn't go to school during my lesson. So if you don't do anything during my lesson, I will consider it as you are not attending the lesson. So means you didn't come to school. So don't play make sure you do all the works that I've given to you. And if you do have some trouble, for example, you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, you can give me, you can tell your class teacher to check on you. If you, for the first time, if you do it more than 3 times, then I report your name. The school admin will go to your house, or maybe they will call your parents to check whether what happened to you, why you cannot send your work. But if you're doing other works like BM, Sejarah, Mathematics, and so on, but you're not doing English, then it means that you intentionally don't want to do it. So take note. Okay, anyhow, if you are good, listen, then your focus this year is on your PSR. So don't play anymore. You are year 6, you are not year 5, you're not year 4, and especially you're not year 1 anymore. Okay, let's go on for our lesson today. Lesson 1. So here's what we're going to do. First one, we're going to watch the video. It's not a video of me, I found it online, but it's about the lesson that we are going to do today. So it might help you or make it easier for you to watch. Second one, after you watch the video, you will answer the 3 questions in your EX. This one you will send to me through WhatsApp or in the Google Classroom today. Or not today, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. If you send it to me on Monday, I will consider it as you are purposely didn't send it to me earlier, so that will count as one time you didn't send. Number 3, do spelling online at quiz. Yeah, we are going to do spelling. You know quiz, the one we did last year. So what you're going to do is, I'm going to give you a spelling list, and this one you can do anytime during Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, anytime you want. For spelling, you have 20 seconds to type the correct word, and for dictation, you have 45 seconds to type it. So that's the 3 things we are going to do today. Okay, so for lesson 1, watch the video. I will let you watch the video first.
大家知道 feelings 是什么意思吗？第一个意思是感觉，感官的感觉。第二个意思就是感情或者是情绪，也就是我们在这一集所要学习的。给大家看看几个例子。这些都是有关情绪或者是感情，它们都叫 feelings。Hello everyone, welcome to XueDao。在这一集呢，我们会学习关于6年级英文单元1的第1堂课 ，Year 6 English Unit 1, all about feelings. We'll be focusing on listening and speaking skills, Part 1. Now, let's listen to the rap. Are you ready? Let's begin. Talk to mama. Whenever I'm angry, I count out loud. Count to 100 and let my anger out. And I remember mama saying aloud, tell me dear what you're angry about. Whenever I'm hurt, I just want to cry, to moan, to whimper, to sob and sigh. Then I remember mama asking me to try, to pour out my feelings and tell her why. Whenever I'm lonely, I've no friends to meet. Tasty food, I'll munch and eat. Then I remember mama saying to me, be nice to others and friends will meet. Whenever my feelings get too strong, to shout, to moan, to complain is wrong. I know dear mama was right all along. Talk to mama and my problems will be gone. 大家想不想和我一起 rap 呢？那你必须先了解这个 rap 到底在讲什么，你才能把他的感情 rap 出来。好，我们先看第一个 verse。Whenever I'm angry, I count out loud. count to 100 and let my anger out. 当我生气时，我会大声数到100，来释放我的愤怒。And I remember Mama saying aloud, "Tell me, dear, what you're angry about." 我也记得妈妈对我说过，生气的时候可以告诉她。接下来第2个 verse。Whenever I'm hurt, I just want to cry, to mourn, to whimper, to sob and sigh. 当我受伤时，我只想哭泣、抱怨、呜咽、抽泣和叹气。Then I remember Mama asking me to try, to pour out my feelings and tell her why. 我想起妈妈让我尝试倾泻我的感情，并和她分享我受伤的原因。第3个 verse。Whenever I'm lonely, I've no friends to meet. Tasty food I'll munch and eat. 当我孤单时，我没有朋友可以见面，我就会自己吃着美味的食物。Then I remember Mama saying to me, "Be nice to others, and friends you'll meet." 我又想起妈妈对我说过，如果我对他人好，我就会有朋友了。最后一个 verse 也就是第4个了。Whenever my feelings get too strong, to shout, to mourn, to complain is wrong. 当我的情绪很强烈的时候，喊叫、抱怨、投诉都是不对的。I know dear Mama was right all along. Talk to Mama and my problems will be gone. 我知道妈妈一直都是对的，只要告诉妈妈，我的问题就会解决了。大家了解了每个 verse 的意思后，知道这篇到底要表达什么吗？我们先来看看主角的 feelings 有哪几个。第一个 angry 生气，第2个 hurt 受伤，第3个 lonely 孤单。大家有没有发现，主角有了这些情绪后，都会想起妈妈，因为呢，他的妈妈都会安慰他、陪伴他、教导他，所以与妈妈分享呢，是主角抒发情绪的方法。那我们每个人都有自己不同的发泄的方法，你知道你的是哪一个吗？好，大家准备好跟我一起 rap 了吗？ Get ready! Talk to Mama. Whenever I'm angry, I count out loud. Count to 100 and let my anger out. And I remember Mama saying aloud, "Tell me, dear, what you're angry about." Whenever I'm hurt, I just want to cry, to mourn, to whimper, to sob and sigh. Then I remember Mama asking me to try, to pour out my feelings and tell her why. Whenever I'm lonely, I've no friends to meet. Tasty food I'll munch and eat. Then I remember Mama saying to me, "Be nice to others and friends you meet." Whenever my feelings get too strong, to shout, to mourn, to complain is wrong. I know dear Mama was right all along. Talk to Mama and my problems will be gone. Alright, that's all for today.
Okay, so after you watch the video, what you need to do is this one. These 3 questions. Number 1, what people should not do when they are angry, hurt or lonely. This one, I want you to answer in your textbook, not textbook, in your EX. Write down question number 1 and then the question and answer. What people should not do when they are angry, hurt or lonely. So how you should answer should be, people should not do what? People should not do what when they are angry, hurt or lonely? What should not they do? At least one thing, okay? And then the second one, question number 2, the main idea of each verse of the rap. Okay, so verse is this one, the sentence, not sentence, the tuan, the paragraph. So there are 3 paragraphs in the rap. So just tell simply, paragraph 1 is about what? Paragraph verse 1 is about what? Verse 2 is about what? Verse 3 is about what? And verse 4, and that's it. For example, verse 1, we should not, verse 1 tell us not to do blah blah blah, something like that. And then the third one, what lesson you have learned from the rap? This is from all of the rap, verse 1 to 3, ti tuan, ti tuan, and ti san tuan. From the rap that you learned today, what did you get? What lesson, what moral value did you get? We must always what? Or I must always learn, I must always do what? So that's how you answer. So these 3 I want you to do in the textbook, in your, not textbook, EX. Send it to me by next Sunday, before next the lesson. So you have 4 days, today, Thursday, tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to do this. Okay? Okay, so don't worry if you don't know. I will give for next week, before we begin our lesson, I will give you the answer for the exercise today. Okay? The second one, this is the verse just now. 1, 2, we have verse 1 from here to here, verse 2, and verse 3. So I have highlighted all the word here that you will use for spelling. Don't worry, I have simplified it in the next slide. Look at this one. Okay, so what you need to do, we have number 1, angry. Number 2, anger. Number 3, hurt. Number 4, cry. Number 5, whimper or sob. 哪一个可以? Which one you want, you can do it. You can use it. Number 6, we have mourn or sigh. You can type which one. Don't type both of them, just type one for the spelling. And then number 7, we have feelings. Number 8, we have lonely. Number 9, munch. Number 10, complain. And then we have 2 dictation. The first one, be nice to other. The second one, mama was right. Okay, so look at this slide. You can take your time, look at it, remember it, and do it online. Where should you do it? You should do the spelling at quizzes, the one I always play with you last year. This is the link. Click on the link. If you cannot click it here, don't worry, I will put it in your Google Classroom or WhatsApp for you to play as well. Okay, so that's it for today. You have 2 works. Number 1, you need to, what do you call that just now? You need to do the 3 question in EX. And number 2, you need to do the spelling at quizzes. So that's it for lesson 1. I'll see you again next Sunday. That's all. I hope you do your work. See you again. Bye.